As of today, more and more companies use a client lifecycle management system to gather and manage information about prospects and clients. These information are composed of what we call CIDs, client identifying data, that must be protected to avoid having them flowing around in the cloud, at reach of anyone. When using such a tool, it is mandatory to protect your sensible data. Keep data ownership and control. Not depend on an untrusted third party. Keep the same user experience for collaborators. With CLMi, as a relationship manager, you will be able to manage all your clients' requests and information, such as address changes, or tax transfers, but also portfolios and marketing communications securely. This security is provided by REGDATA, by firstly protecting the data with customizable transformers and then by segregating the access to the sensitive information. All of this is transparent to the platform user and managed on-premise, meaning that you, and only you, will define who has access to your sensitive data. Here, on the home page of CLMi, we can already see some data in clear. As shown, we can select an opportunity in the pipeline page. We can see portfolios and name in clear as we are authorized to. REGDATA will keep the business logics and features available and functional, which means that you can still search for people or items registered on the platform. Let's search for Robert DuPont. We found them in different cases as the search was unfiltered. If we select the Client option in the filters, then we get all the Robert DuPont clients. We can navigate through their personal page to see the information such as cases, products and services or simply some notes taken about the client. Now, let's compare what's happening when you do and do not have the authorization to see sensitive data. On the left side, you will see the behavior of the platform when you're logged in as an authorized user. On the right side, the user connected do not have the right to see data in clear. If we go back to the list of people registered on the platform, we can see on the right side that the names are completely unreadable. This is what is called a token and it is the result of the protection provided by REGDATA. You can also see that we are showing the same person as we do not protect the internal ID, which in the case of Albert Hall ends with 52,428. We can still navigate on the platform but sensitive data are not readable. Now we will focus on the search capability. As previously shown with Robert DuPont, you can search in a general field, retrieving all data corresponding to your request. As the data is now protected at rest, meaning it is stored in the database protected with a token, it is impossible for the user on the right side to search for data in clear. On the left side, if Gene is searched, REGDATA will protect it as a token and search for it in the database. This will provide the results we see on screen. 3. Gene were found. With the leading CLM solution CLMi, and REGDATA uniqueness to manage data protection, you are able to keep the full ownership and control of your data on-premise, at rest, in use and in transit. For more information on how REGDATA does the protection and segregate the access, you might want to watch the other videos. You can also contact us via our different platforms.